Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex trading topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to open a demo account on Exness using Metatrader 5 for 2025. If you're new to trading or just want to practice without risking your hard-earned money, this is the perfect starting point. A demo account lets you test strategies, explore market trends, and get comfortable with the platform, all for free. First things first, head over to the official Exness website. It's straightforward. Just type exness.com into your browser and look for the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, create a new one by providing your email, a strong password, and some basic details. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Platforms section and download Metatrader 5. This is the software we'll use, and Exness supports it seamlessly. After downloading, install it on your computer or mobile device. It's available for both. Now, open Metatrader 5 and log in with your Exness credentials. You'll see a login window where you select Exness as your broker. If it's your first time, you might need to add a new server. Search for Exness in the server list. Next, go to the File menu and select New Demo Account. You'll be prompted to choose your account type, leverage, and currency. Pick what suits your practice needs, like a standard Forex account with 1 to 1000 leverage. Hit Create, and voila, your demo account is ready. Before you start trading, take a moment to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with charts, indicators, and order types. Remember, this is a risk-free environment, so experiment away. Wrapping this up, opening an Exness demo account in Metatrader 5 is a breeze and a smart move for 2025 trading. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Happy trading, everyone! See you in the next video.